Ave Coders. In this video, we're going to learn how enums work in Python. As the official documentation tells us, an enumeration or enum is a set of symbolic names bound to unique constant values. Within an enumeration, the members can be compared by identity and the enumeration itself can be iterated over. So that's all good. Let's crack on with them. First of all, let's import enum from the enum module. And now we can use the mechanics in our code. First of all, I will create a class called car that will inherit from this enum superclass, and this is how we can apply the enum mechanics to this class. So let's define a few constants within this class, all caps. It's going to be Opel with the value 1, BMW with value 2, and Mercedes with the value 3. As soon as I'll learn how to write Mercedes properly, make it 3. All right. Let's have just one more, which is going to be Porsche, number 4. And now let's have a look at the enum mechanics. So we're going to go into the main function, remove the pass, and now, first of all, let's print the one of the enums. So car Opel. So we're using the dot operator. And after that, we can also print the type of that enum. So we use the function type and we put car.opel as an argument. And we can also pass it as the wrapper function argument as well. So let's leave Opel as it is. And here I'll change type to wrapper. If you don't know what that is, go and check my tutorial on magic methods. I'll leave the link in the description. But as you can see, here we get a series of outputs, car Opel, then the type is of course enum, and then the enum name with the value. All right, let's move on. And another interesting rule about enums is that you can't have two enums with the same name. However, you can have the same value. So let's say BMW, and I'll put the value 2. And if we'll run it, we'll get into an error. Attempted to reuse key BMW. Key is hence a name. So it wasn't triggered by the value, it was triggered by the name. And if I'll change BMW to Reno, we can see that we get no error. However, if we don't like that we can have duplicates as values, we can also enforce a different behavior. We can import something called unique. And in here, we can use the decorator unique. And now if we run it, we'll get into an error. So duplicate values found in enum car. So Reno and BMW do have the same value. However, in case when we use the consequent values, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we want 5, we can use something called auto. So auto instead will substitute the next subsequent unique value for us. So if we'll change the value of Renault to this auto, so now if I'll print car.renault and then name, so as you can infer probably from this key value situations, the enums do have keys and values, so we can print them separately if we want to, like in this case. So name is Renault and value is 5 because auto has substituted itself with the next subsequent unique value. All right, so that was Python enums or enumerators crash course. That was V. Please give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.